You're watching the local news network, Pagosa Springs. Build Pagosa is working to fill a shortage of skilled labor locally through a vocational trade program at Pagosa Springs High School. This skilled labor gap is being seen across the nation. According to Skills USA, a nonprofit who serves students in vocational programs, there are currently 6 million unfilled jobs due to a shortage of skilled workers. Business leaders report that this skills gap affects their productivity and essentially their bottom line. This skills gap is especially apparent in rural towns like Pagosa Springs, Colorado, where construction is the largest industry and not enough young people are learning the trade. Build Pagosa, a local nonprofit, saw a need to prepare young people for the future.
So the program came about because we are all in construction, and the big issue that we kept talking to everybody about was there's no young skilled labor in Pagosa Springs. So what were we going to do about it? And it all basically came down to is we're going to have to grow our own.
I am in woodworking too with Mr. Hessman. This is a great community that we all share. I like to help out other students. I've been doing this for a few years, and I worked in construction with my dad, building houses for about 5 years now.
I would say I've learned a lot of life skills, the stuff that I can use in the future. It'll help me get a job definitely in the future.
Students can gain practical hands-on experience in woodworking or the building trades.
So what we have built here is a roof dormer. It's to help us learn like some of the more complicated cuts as far as building these rafters, knowing that terminology of what a long point is, what a short point is, the bev and pitch of a cut. It helps also with learning how to communicate with others on the job site. Not one person doing everything. You can have multiple people, someone measuring, someone helping draw out a pattern so that you can cut everything all at once.
Students get to work with various local companies in a summer work program to try out different jobs and see what they enjoy doing the most.
Summer work program is more or less people in the industry, construction related, saying, hey, we would like to have 1 or 2 of your kids. And it goes anywhere from the tile stores, the lumber yards, to HVAC systems, heating and cooling, and basically the framing trades for all the construction companies.
They're getting exposed to the whole building process, but the things that they can, we feel like they can handle we go ahead and let them do it and give them the training to do it initially and then let them go.
The Building Trades program at the Pagosa Springs High School has been so popular that now other industries are approaching Build Pagosa to expand their program.
Recently, we've had other industries come to us, like the restaurants and hotels, saying, hey, we can't find anybody in the culinary arts. So we are in the process of creating a culinary art program. On top of that, we've had the ski area, the hospital, the forestry department come and say, hey, we have the same problem. Is there something that we can do to promote vocational trades in these fields?
The problem with growth right now is that Build Pagosa has outgrown their current space. With money pledged by the community, they are hoping to have designs ready to share for public input by this spring.
So right now we're in the process of in the range of about $3.5 million to add another 18,000 square foot building to the high school. We are in the final design phase of the construction drawings. So hopefully by this spring, we want to bring it to the public and see what our feedback is. And we want to make sure that we get our philanthropists and the construction community together.
When asked what was his favorite part about working with the students in the program, Hessman said he has the greatest job in the world.
I'm a retired architect builder locally, and what is the best part of my job is that I have zero stress. Dealing with the kids, and they actually become my kids. So that's the coolest thing in the community. And what I'm hoping for is in a few years, they will come back and actually take over my program for me. They see what the vision is now, and maybe that they'll take it and run with it.
To learn more about Build Pagosa and how to support them, visit their website at buildpagosa.org. Thanks for watching this edition of Local News Pagosa Springs. If you would like to see this story again, visit our website at pagosalocal.news, where you can sign up to have us deliver the news directly to your inbox. If you are interested in hosting a digital network display at your place of business, you can fill out a form on our website.